humanity. Me, them, are also a good creation of God. So whether you like it or not, lesbian, gays, bisexual, and transgender are also part of this humanity. Our flower is even beautiful people. The girl who is naked in your eyes is a fresh, indeed innocent, 24 years of each daughter will truly all the way last from the home of amazing gay beauties in the city of dreams, the city of Manila. And this is Rain Abranica, and I'm very humble to say na ako po ang isa sa original na tinaguriang batang Contessera. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to epitomize the beauty of your one and only. Bakit di po natin sabay-sabay hiyawan at palakpakan? Bagpas ngayong gabi, ako po, si Baby Jasmine Curtis Lee. Binibining Jasmine Curtis Lee na hindi po mag-iiwan ng anumang pong bastos at nakakatawang kasabihan dahil naniniwala po ako na kung ano po ang mapumutawi sa aking mga labi ay ang siyang paniniwalaan ng pawang kabataan. Kaya't mahirap pong magpakababae kung hindi po tayo tunay na babae. Mahirap din pong magpakalalaki kung hindi po tayo tunay na lalaki. Ngunit mas mahirap po yatang magpakatao kung hindi niyo po kami rerespituhin at gagalangin bilang isang tao. Because we're born to be true, never to be perfect. Once again, this is candidate number 5, your Jasmine Curtis Lee, and I'm very proud to say that tonight I'm wearing a parallel-inspired costume from the giant lantern of Festival of Our Brothers and Sisters from the resilient people of San Fernando, Pampanga, that always believe that it's not about what you're wearing, it's about how you wear it.